Hello guys, welcome back to Singanyas. Today I'll be showing you designer party wear sarees under 25,000. So let's get started. So the first saree is this beautiful light pink color saree. As you can see, it's got this beautiful shine tissue kind of effect, and all over we've got this stone work in the body of the saree. Coming to the border of the saree, it's got beads work, cut bead work and mirror work as well. So it's very shiny and very beautiful. And this saree has got a running pallu. Coming to the blouse of the saree, it's got a plain blouse with the same work just as the saree. So the next saree is this bright pink color saree with cut bead work and sequence work all over the saree. It's got this beautiful geometrical pattern. And coming to the border of the saree, we've got a small little border with flower designs and scallop design, and this is a running pallu. And coming to the blouse of the saree, we've got the same kind of pattern for the hands, for the neck as well. Beautiful cut bead work. So just like this pink color, we have this burgundy color option, and as you can see, we've got this cut bead and sequence work just like the other saree. So we have multiple color options like this for party wear, for Banarsi, for Kanchi and different kinds of sarees. So to check out that, you can visit our website singanyas.in. So the next saree is this pastel grey color saree. As you can see, we've got beautiful pearl work and cut bead work spaced out all over the saree. And coming to the border of the saree, we've got this beautiful scallop work in complete thread work and pearl work. This is a very beautiful subtle saree if you want a simple party wear saree. And we've got this saree in running pallu, and at the end we have got this beautiful pearl work design. And for the blouse, we have got this net blouse with pearl work in floral design for the neck, and for hands we've got this beautiful border as well. So the next saree is this purple saree. As you can see, it's very grand and perfect for a party wear, and this has got like this vertical lines in cut bead work and sequence work, as you can see here, and also pearl work with simple flower designs in spaced out. And as you can see, the border of the saree has got the scallop design with lines design and pearl work and cut bead work, and it's got a running pallu. It's a perfect saree, very flowy and very comfortable. And coming to the blouse of the saree, as you can see, it's got the same design for the neckline, and for hands it's got this beautiful lines design for the neck with the border. Singanyas Ashadam sale starts. Get up to 50% off only on our website singanyas.in. Find Kanchi, Banarsi, Bandhani and many more. So the next saree is this pretty cream color saree. As you can see, it's got cut bead work all over the saree, and it's got this beautiful design, floral creeper design. It's a very grand saree, and the design is all over the saree, and it's also got the running pallu. And coming to the border of the saree, it's got a small little border with cut bead work. For the blouse, as you can see, it's got beautiful cut bead work for the neck and for the hands. So the next saree is this blue color saree, and as you can see, it's got small motifs all over the saree with cut bead and stone work. And coming to the border of the saree, it's got this beautiful pearl work, zardozi work and stone work as well. And this saree has got a running pallu. Coming to the blouse of the saree, it's got the same design for the sleeves. So the next saree is this organza black color saree. It's a perfect nightwear saree. And as you can see, the whole body of the saree is plain, but for the border, it's got a beautiful thread work, cut bead work and sequence work as well. And this has got a running pallu. Coming to the blouse of the saree, it's got a very grand blouse in the front like this and for the back as well, and it is see-through black. So the next saree is this pastel color saree, and as you can see, this saree is perfect for any day events, and this has got thread work and sequence work and cut bead work spaced out all over the saree. And coming to the border of the saree, it's got a scallop design with thread work and sequence work again. It's a very beautiful, pretty pastel color saree, I would say. And this has got a running pallu. Coming to the blouse of the saree, as you can see, it's got the same embroidery just as the saree, and with the cut bead work and sequence work for the sleeves. So the next saree is this organza tissue saree. As you can see, it's got plain in the body of the saree, but it's got this beautiful sequence work in the middle. And coming to the border, I think I would say this is the highlight of the saree. It's a very grand border with sequence work, pearl work and cut bead work, and also scallop design. This saree has got running pallu. Coming to the blouse of this saree, as you can see, it's a very grand blouse with same work just as the saree. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked all the sarees which I've shown you. But if you want to see more collections like this, you can subscribe to our channel. And for new collections, you can even visit our website and Instagram. Thank you.